Step into the enigmatic world of Hitchcock's 1964 psychological thriller, a film that delves into the complexities of its titular character. Unraveling the layers of Marnie, a woman with a mysterious past and a penchant for theft, the movie becomes a captivating exploration of trauma, identity, and the intricacies of the human psyche. With a masterful blend of suspense and psychological drama, Hitchcock takes audiences on a gripping journey through the life of a troubled woman whose secrets slowly come to light. While the movie stands as a testament to Hitchcock's directorial prowess, there are intriguing lesser-known facts and anecdotes that add depth to its creation. Behind-the-scenes stories about the filming process, the cast's experiences, or even Hitchcock's meticulous attention to detail often shed new light on this cinematic gem. What's your most cherished memory or personal experience related to this film? Whether it sparked inspiration, left an indelible impression, or prompted you to ponder its deeper themes, we'd love to hear your stories and memories in the comments below. Alfred Hitchcock's 1964 film Marnie weaves a web of subtle references and intriguing connections. One such notable aspect ties to Edgar Allan Poe. The film subtly nods to Poe's world through multiple elements. Marnie's last name, Edgar, differs from the novel where it was Elmer, hinting at the Poe connection. The story's settings mirror locations significant to Poe's life, including Baltimore, the city of his mysterious death. Tippi Hedren, who portrayed Marnie, shares a birthday with Poe, adding another layer to the link. Hitchcock's fondness for Poe's suspenseful tales influenced his direction, evident in the psychological terror Marnie endures. Despite initial doubts, Sean Connery's casting as Mark, contrary to the envisioned American aristocrat, exemplified Hitchcock's belief in the power of acting. This amalgamation of literary homage and casting nuances elevates the intricate suspense woven throughout the film, making Marnie a compelling exploration of psychological intricacies within a suspenseful narrative. Tippi Hedren, the lead actor in the film, has notably expressed that this movie holds a special place for her among all her works. Despite the reported challenges behind the scenes, Hedren has openly stated that this movie stands out as her favorite among the roles she's undertaken. It's a compelling insight, shedding light on her personal connection to the project and its significance in her career. Her statement offers a glimpse into the complexity of filmmaking, where the final product might not always reflect the challenges faced during its creation. Hedren's endorsement of the film speaks volumes about the depth of the story and the impact of her portrayal, irrespective of the difficulties encountered during production. This perspective from the lead actress provides a unique angle, emphasizing the enduring allure and importance of the film beyond the tumult that might have surrounded its making. Sir Sean Connery's involvement in the film brought a unique dynamic to the set. Initially hesitant due to concerns about being typecast, Connery's desire to collaborate with Alfred Hitchcock spurred a significant shift. His insistence on seeing a script, a departure from his previous roles, showcased his commitment to diversifying his acting repertoire. This divergence from the norm, exemplified by his insistence on script review, reflected Connery's resolve not to be confined to familiar roles. His chemistry with Hitchcock during filming contributed to the movie's success, despite Connery's later acknowledgement of some reservations. Their collaboration marked a pivotal point in both their careers, demonstrating the transformative power of risk-taking in the realm of cinema. Connery's willingness to challenge conventions and embrace new opportunities added depth to the film's narrative, transcending the boundaries of traditional expectations. Alfred Hitchcock's secrecy in acquiring the rights for Winston Graham's novel Marnie backfired, doubling the price but securing the honor of filming the story. This unusual twist reflected Hitchcock's determination to bring the narrative to life on screen. His preference for discretion inadvertently led to a price hike, yet it ultimately showcased his commitment to the project. Hitchcock's pursuit of the story underscored his passion for storytelling and his willingness to go to great lengths to obtain material he believed in, setting the stage for the creation of a film that would become a pivotal part of his repertoire. Bernard Herrmann's scoring for this film marked his final collaboration with Alfred Hitchcock. Renowned for his musical genius in Hitchcock's movies, Herrmann crafted the intense, haunting score that heightened the suspense throughout the narrative. This project sealed their artistic partnership, culminating in a musical masterpiece that added depth to the psychological intricacies of the story. Despite subsequent ventures, this film remains a pivotal point in their collaborative history, etching Herrmann's final Hitchcockian melody onto the silver screen. Alfred Hitchcock, known for his meticulous direction, encountered an unexpected challenge during the filming of the lead character riding scenes. Initially hesitant about using a mechanical horse, Hitchcock's quest for authenticity led him to inspect Disney's renowned mechanical horse. Walt Disney himself, spotting Hitchcock's crew member on the lot, offered the use of this exceptional creation. Hitchcock's decision to embrace this innovative solution showcased his dedication to capturing realism in the film's sequences, reflecting his commitment to achieving cinematic perfection. Tippi Hedren's role in this movie drew attention, notably for her on-screen romance with Sir Sean Connery. Many wondered about their kissing scenes. She described it as purely technical, devoid of any sensuality. Interestingly, the film's first scene was actually the last to be shot, set in a San Jose railway station on March 14th. Additionally, Louise Latham, playing Hedren's mother, was only 7 years older, a fact that remained unknown for years due to Hedren's concealed age. She revealed her true birth year much later, surprising audiences. These behind-the-scenes insights add intriguing layers to the movie's production and cast dynamics, revealing nuances that might escape the viewer's eye. Beginning the filming of the movie faced a delay, starting a few days after the assassination and funeral of President John F. Kennedy. This poignant event in history pushed the production start date from November 22 to November 26. Such a significant national tragedy understandably impacted the movie's schedule, reflecting the broader societal sentiment during that time. Despite the delay, the team moved forward, navigating the challenging landscape of emotions and uncertainties that followed. This unique backdrop sets a context for the making of the film, intertwining the movie's creation with a pivotal moment in American history. As we bid adieu to the enigmatic tapestry woven by the timeless film that captured hearts back in the day, it's impossible not to feel a subtle resonance within. Marnie, with its mysterious allure and cinematic finesse, has a way of embedding itself into the recesses of our memories. As you reflect on the cinematic journey, consider the threads that connect you to Marnie. Was it the spellbinding suspense, the nuanced performances, or the visual poetry that etched itself into the canvas of your consciousness? Perhaps there's a personal connection, an echo of emotions that resonates with the enigmatic narrative. Your thoughts, your recollections, are the brushstrokes that paint a collective portrait of appreciation for this cinematic gem. Share your musings, your favorite scenes, or the subtle details that made Marnie more than just a movie. Let the dialogue transcend the screen and weave into the shared tapestry of cinephile experiences. In the quiet spaces between the frames, where nostalgia meets introspection, your voice becomes a part of the ongoing conversation about Marnie. Reach out, share your reflections, and let the collective appreciation for this cinematic masterpiece flourish. Thank you for indulging in this journey down memory lane, and for contributing your unique perspective to the ever-evolving narrative of Marnie. Your time and insights are cherished, a testament to the enduring magic of this cinematic treasure. Wishing you continued cinematic adventures.